there, Hunter with Stressless here today to talk to you about the performance of the Max and the Mike chairs. We have had some feedback about the tolerance being really tight between the arm panel and the back when it reclines, making a rubbing sound. That rubbing sound just coming from the finish of the Paloma leather that's rubbing against each other, and so it makes kind of a rubbing, squeaking sound. We don't have that on the Pioneer leather because it's already waxed, but if you use a little tip that we have found from Minwax, it's a little floor wax and a little applicator, it'll solve the problem right away. So I'm going to show you how we apply that and give you a little bit of a demonstration. It's very simple, but it'll make the sound go right away. So this product is called Soft Touch by Minwax, and it costs about $15 at Lowe's and Home Depot. And it's just floor wax. There's nothing special about it, but it's very mild. It has a matte finish on it, so it's not gonna leave a residue behind. And just pop the lid off, and we'll take an applicator that's also supplied by Minwax. You could use just a soft cotton cloth. It doesn't have to be anything special. This is what it looks like, just regular wax. I'll take the applicator, just rub some on the applicator, get it nice and coated. And then I'll recline the back and just apply this to the inside of the leather. So after applying the wax to both sides, I think you'll hear a really big difference. No sound. So it fixed the issue. And it's a very low-cost solution for a slight objection that somebody might have. Consumers can do this in their home. It does not take more than 2 applications to be able to fix this really, and it's really a long-term fix for whatever they might have an objection to. So you haven't hurt the leathers. It's perfectly healthy for Paloma to be able to do this. It doesn't leave any residue behind. It's not going to get on your clothes or anything like that. So it's a very quick, low-cost fix for a slight annoyance for folks that might have this as an objection. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're more than happy to investigate anything else that you might have an issue with. And thanks for listening, and happy selling.